Good morning, students. Last time we had discussed about various types of farming and their features. In today's class, we will be discussing about various cropping patterns. India has got three main cropping patterns: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Now, Rabi crops. They are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. They require less temperature, less rainfall. The major areas where these crops are grown are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, and Uttar Pradesh. Kharif crops, also called as monsoon crops because they are grown at the onset of monsoon season. They require high temperature and good amount of rainfall. The important Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. They are harvested around September-October time period. Now Zaid crops. Zaid crops are grown during the short time period between Rabi and Kharif. They are also called as summer crops. They do not require too much of water or they do not depend on monsoon. They are mainly grown by the irrigation facilities. The important Zaid crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, some vegetables and fodder crops. Now major food crops. India produces a large variety of crops due to the variations in soil and climate. Let's discuss. Different regions specialize in different types of crops. Wheat. India holds second position in wheat production in the whole world. It is the second most important staple food crop of our country. Rice is another important food crop which is extensively grown in India. India holds second position in the production of rice also. Other food crops are millets like ragi, jowar, bajra. They are also grown in different parts of our country. Some more crops like maize and various types of pulses are also part of major food crops. Now, rice. Let's discuss about it. India is a leading producer, second largest after China. It is a kharif crop requiring temperature more than 25 degrees Celsius, very high humidity and high rainfall areas more than 100 or you can say 150 to 200 centimeters. Rice grows well with the help of irrigation also in those areas where rainfall is less. In the map you can see the major rice producing areas. Assam is the leading producer, after that West Bengal, and eastern coastal areas like Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and eastern part of our country mainly. Some parts of Kerala also come in the major rice producing areas. The light green color is showing the other areas which are also producing rice but they are minor areas. Wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall, means moderate rainfall. Cool growing season, bright sunshine at the time of ripening and cool temperature during the time of sowing. These are the major wheat producing areas. Here you can see easily. Especially it grows well in Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, some parts of Madhya Pradesh and parts of Uttar Pradesh. The other light color is showing the minor areas. There also the wheat production is being done. Now other facts about wheat. Like India is the second largest producer of wheat and it is also second most important staple food crop. It is mainly in north and northwestern part of India. There are two main growing zones: Ganga Satluj plains in northwest and Deccan black soil area of our country. Now here you can see how the wheat harvesting is being done and they are being collected at the Food Corporation of India or in the granaries of our country. Now, millets. India produces a large variety of millets like bajra, ragi and jowar. Millets means coarse grains. Now, jowar. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect of the area and production. It is a rain-fed crop. It grows in the moist areas and it requires less irrigation. Here in the map you can see the major rice producing states of our country: Maharashtra, MP, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Maharashtra is the leading producer of jowar in our country. More than 50% of the production is done in Maharashtra. Now next is bajra, another cereal which grows well on sandy and dry soil. The major producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, parts of Gujarat and Haryana. Rajasthan is the leading producer of bajra in our country. Now, ragi. It is rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage. It is a crop of dry regions. It grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow areas. Now here you can see the major producing states of our country: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Karnataka is the leading producer of ragi in our country. Maize. Maize is the crop which is also used both as food and fodder. It is grown in Kharif as well as in Rabi season. It grows well in alluvial soil. It requires temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, and the production of maize has increased because of the HYV seeds and irrigation facilities. In India, the major producing states are UP, Bihar, MP, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Now, pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the whole world. Major source of protein they are, and we all know that most of our Indians are vegetarian, that's why it is the main source of food. There are major types of pulses: arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. It needs less moisture and can survive into dry conditions also. It is a leguminous crop, that's why it helps in the restoring of soil fertility, except arhar, so that is grown as a crop rotation. Now these are the major producing states of our country. Here you can see UP, Rajasthan, MP, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Various pulses are grown into various parts of our country. Now let's see if you can answer this MCQ. What type of crop is wheat? Rabi, Kharif, Zaid or Cash? The answer is Rabi. Rabi crops means it refers to the agricultural crops sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Wheat is the major Rabi crop, and these crops rely heavily on the availability of winter rainfall called as Mawat. It requires cool temperature during the sowing time and dry or hot temperature and climate during the harvesting season. Now, some other food crops other than grains are sugarcane. It grows well in temperate climate, and India is a second largest producer of the sugarcane but highest producer of khandsari. These are the other food crops like ragi, mustard seeds, linseeds, castor and groundnuts, etc. Besides that, India also produces tea and coffee. About the other crops in detail we will be discussing into our next class. So in this class, till here it's complete. I hope you all must have understood.